Proverbs chapter 3. Trust in the Lord with all your heart. My son, do not forget my teaching, but let your heart keep my commandments. For they will add length to your days, years, and peace to your life. Never let love and devotion or faithfulness leave you. Bind them around your neck, write them on the tablet of your heart. Then you will find favor and high regard in the sight of God and man. Trust in the Lord with all your heart, and lean not on your own understanding. In all your ways acknowledge Him, and He will make your path straight. Be not wise in your own eyes. Fear the Lord and turn away from evil. This will bring healing to your body and refreshment to your bones. Honor the Lord with your wealth and with the first fruits of all your crops. Then your barns will be filled with plenty, and your vats will overflow with new wine. My son, do not reject the discipline of the Lord, and do not loathe His rebuke. For the Lord disciplines the one He loves, as does a father the son in whom He delights. The blessings of wisdom, blessed is the man who finds wisdom, the man who acquires understanding. For she is more profitable than silver, and her gain is better than fine gold. She is more precious than rubies, nothing you desire compares with her. Long life is in her right hand, in her left hands are riches and honor. All her ways are pleasant, and all her paths are peaceful. She is a tree of life to those who embrace her, and those who lay hold of her are blessed. The Lord founded the earth by wisdom, and established the heavens by understanding. By His knowledge the watery depths were broken open, and the clouds dripped with dew. My son, do not lose sight of this. Preserve sound judgment and discernment. They will be life to your soul and adornment to your neck. Then you will go on your way in safety, and your foot will not stumble. When you lie down, you will not be afraid. When you rest, your sleep will be sweet. Do not fear sudden danger, or the ruin that overtakes the wicked. For the Lord will be your confidence, and will keep your foot from the snare. Do not withhold good from the deserving when it is within your power to act. Do not tell your neighbor, come back tomorrow and I will provide, when you already have the means. Do not devise evil against your neighbor, for he trustfully dwells beside you. Do not accuse a man without cause, when he has done you no harm. Do not envy a violent man, or choose any of his ways. For the Lord detests the perverse, but He is a friend to the upright. The curse of the Lord is on the house of the wicked, but He blesses the home of the righteous. He mocks the mockers, but gives grace to the humble. The wise will inherit honor, but fools are held up to shame.